Have you ever had the joy of trying out Bum Bum cream? All right, well, check it out. If you haven't already, this is Brazilian Bum Bum cream. It provides some additional layer of comfort for those that might have sunburns or need help with their skin. Costco wholesaler almost got in trouble. They narrowly escaped a trade dress infringement from the Brazilian Bum Bum company. Take a look at this product, okay? And we'll talk about trade dress. So trade dress is about protecting the way something looks. The rights for trade dress, like trademark, can only be aesthetic. In this case, the court ruled that the Bum Bum cream container is actually functional. And so they got in trouble. So take a look. This is the Brazilian Bum Bum cream by the company. It's infused with all-powerful guarana extract. It's got this very notable orangish yellow color and a curved bottom with a top here that you unscrew. Below, you will see the Nutrius, which is a Costco brand, Brazilian body butter cream. You can kind of see the same shape, curved bottom, obviously different coloring, and an almost identical looking top. But what did the court say? Well, the court said, sorry, Brazilian Bum Bum, there is no trade dress infringement because the container, it's merely a mechanism, a functional way to open up the cream and use it. And it's ergonomic. And so because of that, the trade dress was not able to be enforced. And even though it does look a lot like the Brazilian Bum Bum cream, Costco is going to get away with not infringing on the trade dress. But had Brazilian Bum Bum got a design patent or a utility patent, rather, on their container, now that would be enforceable under patent law, but not trade secrets. All right, everybody, have a great day. And if you have a burn out there, make sure to protect your bum bum. I had to. Have a good day, everybody. Go big, go bold.